Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add chapters to your YouTube video. Alright, so I'm gonna go and add chapters to one of my videos. So I'm gonna add chapters to this one, how to create the Wix website. So if I go into that and just go down, if you look right here, you can see that I don't have any chapters at the moment. And if I go to the description, I don't have any chapters right here. So we're gonna go and add chapters to this video. And the same technique works when you upload a video. Just use the same technique and this will add chapters to your new video. So you can, if you like, just click on edit video right here, or just go to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down to YouTube Studio. Now go to the left sidebar, click on content and find the video you want to add chapters to. So I'm gonna choose this one. Now click on this details icon. Alright, so choose where you want to add your chapters information. So I'm gonna add it right here. So if you want, you can add a title. I'm just gonna do some stars. Add content, chapters for this video. Like that. And I'm gonna end this with some stars. Okay, so to do this, first we need to add this 0, 0, colon, 0, 0. So this will activate your chapters, and this should be your intro or whatever you have in your video. So that's the start. And then after intro, we're gonna add something else. So you see that we have this video right here. So here you can check where you need to add chapters. So you can just play your video. And after intro,
So let's go and create your first Wix website.
Like that. So just stop after the intro.
Let's go and create your first Wix website.
Like that. So we have 0, colon, 33. Alright. So now we're gonna go and add a new line and add 0, 0, colon, 33, like that. And just add what this section is all about. So for me it's Wix account setup, like that. And then just keep going, click on play and find the next chapter. Alright, so you need to go through this video to find all the chapters. So I have already done that, so I'm just gonna paste my chapters. So a new line and add a new chapter. So as you can see, I have added 01, colon, 44, Wix dashboard overview, and then we go on to the next one, 03, colon, 15, create Wix website, and so on. And at the end I add my outro. Alright, so when you are satisfied with finding your chapters, we're gonna go up to the top right corner of these settings and click on save. Like that. So now you can choose just to click on this link or just go to view on YouTube to check this out. Pause the video. Alright, so now if I hover on this timeline, we see that we get this text. So we got intro, Wix account setup, Wix dashboard overview, create Wix website, and so on. Okay, if you go down to the description, we see that you have this content chapters for this video, and we have this blue color. That means this is a link. So if your viewer want to go to a chapter they can just go and click on this link. So let's say I want to go to this one, create Wix website, click on the link. And now you can see that this will take us to this create Wix website chapter on my YouTube video. Alright. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add chapters on your YouTube videos. I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.